Assalamu alaikum students. Today's lecture is arranged by Radiant Secondary School and the topic of discussion for today is atomic number and mass number. So first of all, we will discuss about atomic number. Atomic number is represented by the alphabet Z, and how can we define atomic number? It is the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. Atomic number is the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. So if we want to know the atomic number of an element, we simply have to calculate the number of protons which are present in its nucleus. So here we will discuss two examples. First example is of hydrogen atom. This is the atomic structure of hydrogen atom. As you can see that there is only one proton in the nucleus of hydrogen atom and one electron is revolving around the nucleus. So in order to know the atomic number, we have nothing to do with the number of electrons and we are only concerned with the number of protons which are present in the nucleus. So by looking into the atomic structure of this hydrogen atom, and we can see that there is only one proton, so we can say that the atomic number of hydrogen atom is 1, which is represented by the alphabet Z. Similarly, the second example is of helium atom, and you can see that there are number of protons in helium atom. So we can see that its atomic number is 2. Okay? So I'm going to repeat the definition again. Atomic number is the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. So till here we have done with atomic number, and the next discussion is about mass number or atomic mass. Okay? Mass number is also called as atomic mass and it is represented by the alphabet A. So what is mass number? It is the total number of protons and neutrons present in an atom. Mass number or atomic mass is the total number of protons and neutrons present in the atom. So if we want to know the mass number or atomic mass of an atom, we simply have to calculate the total number of protons and neutrons which are present in its nucleus. So here we will discuss the example of carbon atom. As you can see that in the nucleus of carbon atom there are 6 protons and 6 neutrons. So by counting the number of protons and neutrons, we get a total of 12. So we can say that the atomic mass of carbon atom is 12. Okay? So we can simply tell about the number of protons and mass number by looking into the symbol of an element. But how can we tell the number of neutrons? So there is a simple formula to calculate the number of neutrons of any element. So in order to calculate the number of neutrons, the formula is we have to subtract atomic number from the mass number. So number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. So again, taking the example of chlorine atom, as you can see that the chlorine has atomic number 17 and its mass number is 35. Okay? So by subtracting 35 and 17, we get a number of 18, which is the number of neutrons present in the chlorine atom. Okay? So till here we are done with mass number or atomic mass. So what is mass number? It is the total number of protons and neutrons present in an atom. Now students, some of the atoms of the same element may have different mass number. Such atoms of the element are called as isotopes. Okay? Now why do they have different mass number? Because they have different number of neutrons in their nucleus. So how we can define isotopes? Isotopes are some atoms of the same element which have different number of neutrons, hence they have different mass number. Okay? So simply isotopes are the elements which have different number of neutrons in their nucleus, so they have different mass number. So the different elements have different isotopes. Here we will discuss the example of isotopes of hydrogen atom. So hydrogen has 3 isotopes: protium, deuterium and tritium. And by looking into their atomic structure, we can say that all of these are having same atomic number, as they all are having 1, 1 and 1 proton in their nucleus. Okay? But they have different mass number. Protium has 1, deuterium has 2, and tritium has 3. The reason is that they have different number of neutrons in their nucleus. For example, protium has no neutron and 1 plus 0 comes up to 1. Deuterium has 1 neutron which makes up its atomic mass 2, and tritium has 2 neutrons which makes its atomic mass 3. ठीक है. So these are the 3 isotopes of hydrogen. Each of them are having same atomic number but different mass number. So isotopes are the atoms of the same element which have different number of neutrons, hence they have different mass number. So up till here we have discussed atomic number, mass number and isotopes. So now here is a brief summary of this whole topic, and the important points we learned today are: number 1, atomic number of an atom is equal to its number of protons. ठीक है. And second point we discussed is that atomic mass of an atom is equal to the sum of its protons and neutrons. When we add a proton and neutron, we get its atomic mass. Now the third point, in case of a neutral atom, the number of protons and the number of electrons are always equal. And the last point, isotopes of an element have different number of neutrons, so they have different mass number.